In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can record a talk in Zendesk. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to zendesk.com and log in to your Zendesk account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, click right here on Support. A drop-down menu should appear once you click on it, and so you will go to Admin Center after. Now, the next thing for you to do is to click on Channels. And then right here, you would go to talk under talk and email. Now, as you can see, there are many different options right here, but you're going to focus on the main settings and then simply click on the transcribe and summarize all call recordings on ticket. Basically, all call recordings would be transcribed and AI generated after the call and would be added to the ticket that it is connected to. Then, after clicking there, simply click on save. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given on the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video.